Hello and welcome to Team Request Design's prototype of the app called VivaCare, which is designed to help senior citizens in their moment of grief and facing or tackling loss. This is an app that provides them with different features that helps tackle this problem. So once the user creates an account, um, they'll be taken to the login page, and from the login page they would um, log in with their new ID, and now they get the opportunity to start the onboarding process. So they can check to get AI check-in with emotional response and mood detecting. um, we also have medical reminders. You can opt for that, and as well as religious content. Now you can choose the way to interact with the application, whether it is via voice or via text or touch, and your preferred language, be it English or even Twi. Right. So we move on from there to start interacting with the application. So this is the home screen or the dashboard of a user. Over here they are greeted with the main things that they have necessary to interact on the first glance. So first you have the reminders that they have set during the day, which are upcoming. So they get to tick and to check them off the box if they have already tackled them. They have an option to also see a verse of the day, be it a scripture from the Bible or even whatever religious material the user would prefer. And they also have an opportunity to interact with the voice assistant, which is AI, to speak about whatever problems or however they feel. So once they tap on this, they are taken to the um, this interface where they get to interact with the AI called Abena.
So this is a demo of how a user will use this feature in real life.
Abena, wo ho te sɛn?
Ayo, that's a saying.
Me nso me ho yɛ.
A dang.
Mepɛ sɛ woboa me.
Mase, then I'll pass away.
Abena, mepɛ sɛ me set a reminder.
Assemble now, pass me car.
Mepɛ sɛ mefa eduro.
You, Tabana me car. What's me a car baby say? And Ochna, Presiada, 21st July.
And
You, time Ben Namin car. What's me a car baby to say? 12:30 a.m. Anna 12:30.
12:30 a.m.
We also have the spiritual or the religious content where they get the verse of the day, option to uh, see and take a moment to reflect or journal, to read the scripture or listen to it, also to listen to any music of their choice. Right. Okay, moving on. They can also set reminders for any or every reminder they want, whether via voice or for the application to um, receive and set the reminder. So we can see some medical reminders over here for the user set at particular times. Alright, moving on, we have the contact feature. So with the contact feature, the user is able to contact their closest confidants, their relatives, um, a doctor or caretaker, as well as any other family that they feel, or any other person that they would want to interact with. So once they click on the call button, it will take them to their phone's call application, so that they are able to interact or call whoever they desire to speak to. Outside this, we also have settings that have been customized where the user is able to edit their profile, they are able to change their language, disable notifications, or even set in the dark mode, depending on if the user is sensitive to light or not, right? And even log out. But before we log out, there's also another feature in the case of emergencies. So when a user has an emergency, what we have designed on the for the application is that on the triple tap of the home button, they get to they get to be taken to the emergency SOS. So there they confirm whether it is an emergency or if it was a mistake. So once they confirm, the necessary parties will be alerted and help will be provided to the user. Thank you.